Today we are going to talk about yellow peels. Now yellow peel is a retinoid based peel which we apply all over your face. See, we apply like this all over your face and it gets absorbed into your skin. After 6 hours, you wash it with plain water. In next 1 or 2 days, your superficial dead skin will peel off in white flakes as if the dry skin is peeling off. Now, when the superficial dead skin peels off, the black pigmentation in the skin also peels off along with it. And when the dead skin peels off, you get a nice skin glow. When the superficial dead skin peels off and the black discoloration peels off along with it, your black marks left behind by the pimples lightens. So in case you are looking for lightening of the black marks left behind by the pimples, or in general skin glow, you can choose for the yellow peels. We recommend 3 sessions done at every 15 days interval. Now when you have those white flakes peeling off, you can just apply moisturizer and sunscreen. They will hide to a great extent. And they are very safe. Don't worry, they will not thin out your skin because we are removing only the superficial dead skin. In fact, that will be replaced by the new skin from beneath. So that's why for skin glow and reduction of the black marks left behind by the pimples, yellow peels which are retinoid based is a very safe option. 3 sessions at 15 days interval.